Briant Park is a scenic, 30-acre natural oasis managed by the Union County Park System, uniquely situated directly on the border of Summit and Springfield, New Jersey. This location gives it a distinct charm, serving as a peaceful bridge between two bustling suburban communities. The park is highly regarded by locals for its tranquil atmosphere, dominated by a mature canopy of historic oak and maple trees that provide ample shade and a sense of deep seclusion from the surrounding metropolitan area. The undisputed centerpiece of the park is Briant Park Pond, a sprawling body of water that acts as a thriving sanctuary for local wildlife. On any given day, visitors can spot a variety of waterfowl, including mallard ducks, Canada geese, and great blue herons hunting along the shallows. The pond is a favorite destination for freshwater fishing enthusiasts looking for a quiet spot to cast a line, and during exceptionally cold winter months, it historically transforms into a traditional destination for outdoor ice skating when county officials deem the ice thick enough for safety. Encircling this picturesque water feature is a fully paved, multi-use fitness and walking trail that traces the entire perimeter of the pond. Because the path is completely flat, wide, and well-maintained, it serves as a popular hub for neighborhood runners, casual walkers, and parents with strollers looking for an easy, low-impact exercise route. The loop is punctuated by classic stone bridges and strategically placed park benches, allowing people to pause and take in the reflective water views and changing seasonal foliage. Beyond the water and the trails, the park features expansive, rolling green lawns that roll gently beneath the shade trees. These open spaces are ideal for low-key recreational activities, whether that means spreading out a blanket for an afternoon picnic, reading a book in the grass, or practicing photography. The landscape layout emphasizes open sightlines, making the acreage feel vast yet intimate and safe for families. If you are planning a visit to 301 Shunpike Road, the park is open daily to the public from dawn until dusk. It provides an excellent, highly accessible escape for anyone looking to immerse themselves in nature, go for a quick jog, or observe local birds. However, visitors should plan their trips accordingly, as the county preserves the park's minimalist, natural state by not providing public restroom facilities or large structural pavilions on the property.
is the box tile that we have.